Hello, my name is Nikita Kishore Pove. I am 25 years old. I have completed my higher schooling in Raigad district in the state of Maharashtra. The place is situated around a fort which is served as a capital of Maratha Empire. As it is my native place, it was my first inspiration towards the field of architecture. So in 2020, I completed my bachelor degree in architecture from IES College of Architecture, Mumbai University. After completing my degree, I worked in an architectural firm for 6 months. Based on that knowledge, I started freelancing. I worked on different types of projects in architecture as well as interior design. If I go talk about on myself, I'm very much a curious person. I like to explore and experiment things around me, and that makes me more ambitious towards my goal. In my portfolio, I have represented you some of my academic and professional practice work. So first project I have submitted, that is an academic project. In that project, we were asked to design a housing scheme for Naya Raipur in Sector 31, which is an ongoing project in India with huge potential. So I designed it in such a way that all types of families, nuclear families, larger families, studio apartment, in other words, all generation can interact easily. To make that space more interesting, I designed a multiple courtyards, multiple gardens, and a couple of water body to to control the temperature and keep the surrounding cool. Also, the ground floor houses can direct access from courtyard. To prevent the disturbance from vehicles, I built a road from outer side of the accommodation with the parking in the basement. From second projects onwards, all are my professional practice project. So the second project is G+5 residential building designed in plot area 3025 square feet in Nasik city, where I designed two different typical floor plan with the minute changes in balcony position, so I can create a interesting impact on building elevation. Additionally, I worked in a detailed drawings of that projects too. Third and fourth projects are both residential interior design projects. The first one is 4 BHK apartment in Pune city with attached dining area, and second one is 2 BHK apartment in Dadar city. My approach to different types of interior design projects, I try to understand clients' need and primary requirements before starting the design projects. I also try to understand clients' taste and their personality. That helps me to create a particular concept for them through sketches and multiple models. In my Pune project, I customized some furniture to align with the concept, and somewhere I manipulate some design material to work within the client's budget. Last but not least, I have presented you some of my 3D design work, which includes bungalow designs for Alibag city and Napoli city. Also a farmhouse design and landscaping area covering around 21,780 square feet. After that, I got an opportunity to design a grocery shop which is in USA. The area is 360 square feet. I designed the project from scratch according the client's requirement. After that, I designed a 3D model that helped them to execute that site over there. Furthermore, I have showcased you some of my art pieces such as wall paintings, canvas paintings, watercolor paintings, and many more. Thank you.